Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Ninja Spartan 35. I'm going to be bringing you an Black Ops Zombies for Android hack. You can get unlimited ammo. And look right here, as you can see, I got 25 bullets to reload with. What you want to do, well, you will need game CIH, which means you will need a rooted Android. This is not hard at all once you get the hang of it. So remember that 25. You gotta bring up your game CIH, move it down or up. I don't really care. Press the magnifying glass, the search bar. Go to input number. Type in the bullets that you had. 25. Press OK. It should bring up a huge number. So we need to return to the game. And go ahead and reload. Go back to that magnifying glass. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, so now we gotta redo this. So we start off with 40 bullets. We type in 40. Search it. Press back. Return. You need to shoot a couple bullets off. Reload. Hit the search bar again. Type in whatever number that, or whatever amount of bullets you have to reload with again. I had 36. Press done. Okay. It'll say something like this, or it might just pop up with only one. So then what you need to do is shoot a couple more off, reload, input that number again, 32, input that new number, and there we go. It should always be 4 bytes right here. Alright. And type in right here. Also, what you need to do is click on it. Type in whatever amount of bullets you want. Click modify. As you can see, that gives me a whole lot of ammo for the pistol. Then what you want to do is count how many bullets you have right here. If you want it to be unlimited, well, first lock this. Go to reset, menu reset, input number. Since the pistol starts off with 8, type that in. Press OK. Press back, return to the game. Take one shot. Back to the search bar. Input number 7. One more. Search bar. Input number 6. Should come up with only one, which is right here. 4 bytes, as you can see. Type in as many as you want. Click modify. Click the lock. You have to click the lock if you want it to never have to reload. As you can see, I didn't have to reload. And I just died because I was standing in one spot. If you liked the video, if this helped you out in any way, then be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you go to my channel, there will be a video on how to get unlimited points. Remember, you have to have a rooted phone for this, and it has to be Android. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.